I've created this repo just to test out the BlueSky social media. They've got a data hose, which allows you just to collect all the information from it. I've just been collecting the people who I'm connected to, and just been downloading the information to a database or an SQLite database, and then passing that to an LM using another script. And I just thought I'd share what I've done so far. So I've got the GitHub repository. You can see that here, which has got BlueSky remote. Located here. So you just git clone, and then you can just start using it. It's also got requirements.txt, so you can just install that. I'll just get going with it straight away. So the first thing you do is create your .env, which is that file there, with the username and password, and also you'll need it for the latest script, so you'll need the Google API. So first of all, to download, you just connect to the BlueSky, create the database, create the table in the database, and then we just loop around and get the latest information from the timeline. So this will grab the post author and the text that goes with it. So that's let's get BlueSky up just so you can see what BlueSky looks like, just in case you've not seen it. So BlueSky is just a Twitter clone essentially, and it's going to take a while to show, but there we go. We've got the feeds. This is all I'm collecting. So I'm collecting the author and then the description here. I don't think I'm collecting the image. I've not downloaded an image. I think that comes under a different item. But then I just commit that to the database, so it stores it, and then it just gets the last seen post, so it doesn't re-download the latest one. Waits for 50 seconds, and then or 60 seconds, and then loops around, does the same thing again. And that's what this does. So that's what that does. So the idea with this, I'd have this running all the time, create a big database with all posts that people are connected to, mainly data science, machine learning, and then I'm using FastHTML to display and post this information. So this is here. I'm loading the environmental variables. I've got a function to analyze the feeds. This is the prompt for the feeds. So it's just getting a summarization essentially of what's been talked about. And I've got the reads guide function, so that's just reading the database. And then this is just how it's displayed. So this is the root. This is the default page when you go to it. And this is going to display a web page. So let's get this started up. So main.py. So there we go. So that's opened up. So this is the web page displays. All you do is click at the Analyze My Feed, and then it goes back and it tells you what's been fed into it. That's it. Let's move that off screen. So that button that we clicked, which is here, runs generate query when it posts, and that is here. And then it just calls the analyzed feed, which is the function at the top up here, which just sends information to Google Cloud. I'm using Google Cloud just because it's free. Just seems like a good way to do it. Just test it out. A lot of people are raving about Google at the moment because they've got long context length, and also the amount of you can send video to them and audio and that kind of stuff. And it's quite good for that kind of stuff. And that's it in a snapshot. Let me know what you think. Thank you. Bye.